Wild weather is lashing New Zealand on Sunday morning as the remnants of Cyclone Dovi strike the country. The storm bringing destructive winds, heavy rains, and large waves. Authorities issued severe weather warnings from Northland to Christchurch ahead of the storm, urging people not to travel unless absolutely necessary. Wind gusts between 130 km per hour to 155 km per hour have been recorded in the central North Island. Many road surfaces have been damaged by extensive rainfall, and drivers were asked to slow down and take extra care, as they are likely to encounter surface water, fallen branches, and other residual debris. The firefighters responded to more than 300 calls across the country, which majority in Auckland, Waikato, Bay of Plenty, Taranaki, and Wellington. Most of the calls were related to trees and power lines down. At the worst part of the afternoon, around 50,000 customers were without power for a short period of time. Later, that number had dropped to about 14,000. Air New Zealand cancelled at least 100 flights due to the challenges with the cyclone. Waves up to 5 m were also forecast for Hawke's Bay and the Gisborne area early on Monday morning as Cyclone Dovi moves away from New Zealand.